Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to reactivate your Patreon account. So you will be going over to this page and the link to this will be in the description below. And on this page you'll need to choose the request type below. So click on the drop down and make sure to have this selected. I have a question about community guidelines, English only. And then you're going to put in your email address which was associated with a Patreon account that you wish to reactivate. And then next, you'll see please select one of the options below. Click on it. And then you're going to look for appeal my account removal for a community guidelines violation. Of course, this is assuming this is the reason why you're trying to reactivate your account. And then you're going to need to confirm that you have inputted the email address associated with the remove account, which is what you were expected to put here. Then under subject, you're going to put in appealing my Patreon account removal. And then right here you have your description where you get to detail your reasoning for filing the appeal. And then down here you have the option to make some additional attachments or some supplementary evidence to support your appeal. Click on submit and wait for a response. The response will determine if you will be getting a reactivation of your previous Patreon account. So let us know if this option was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.